Go.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a cross using the Stampin' Up! Scallop trim quarter punches and the Scallop trim border punch from Stampin' Up! It's best to use a thin paper. This is just copy paper. The designer paper from Stampin' Up! Does work. It's a little harder to get your punch through, but wanted something neutral, so I went with the white. The paper is cut 5 1/4 by 4 inches across, so that there's a border on my card front. Take and fold it lengthwise first, and fold real loosely. Don't crease it hard because you want to take those back out again. Where your cross is going to meet, about 1/3 of the way down the paper, fold that piece of paper back down again, and again fold it without creasing too hard. Take the folded corner and put it into the scallop trim border punch, corner punch, sorry. Punch through all the layers, and then open that up, and the lengthwise here, take the trim border punch, and depending on how long you want your cross, line up the scallops and punch that again. Sometimes you get a little tail there, that's okay, just pick that off. On my card I went and I put the corners, punched each of the corners as well, so before I unfold it I'll do that too. And get rid of all those little pieces. When you open it up, ta-da, you have your cross. Gently take your fingers, rub out the creases that were made, and for the most part if you glue that flat on the card that's not going to show, but to add a little pop to it I stuck it through the polka dot embossing folder from Stampin' Up! And ran it through my machine. I don't know if you'll be able to see the polka dots or not, but there's some polka dots on there. And I put it on Bliss Blue originally. It looks good on any color. This is Wild Wasabi. That's quite a pretty color to put it on. And it works good for a lot of different occasions. Here's my card, the finished product. What I did was I used the Flower Fusion Sizzlet die by Stampin' Up! To do these parts of the flowers, and the little leaves Sizzlet die to do the leaves. There's a little bit of a polka dot pattern on there, probably can't see that. And arrange your leaves on your card, peeling off whatever leaves you don't want to use. With the flowers, I edged them with Perfect Plum to give them a little extra pop. And the 3 of them. And once you get them edged, I shaped them. I just used my fingers, but you can use a scissor or the tip of a glue bottle or whatever you would like to use to shape them so they stand up a little bit more like a natural flower. And when I was finished, in my original card I used the rhinestone from the Pretties kit, or the clear rhinestone brads, and now that we offer the Jewel Basic rhinestones and they're self-adhesive, that's what I used on this card, and glued each one together. Every other one. Oops. Actually the rhinestone can go on last, but like so. And a pearl would work too, or any of the other rhinestones we have in our catalog is quite pretty. And adhere it to your card with your leaves, and there's your finished product. Card works great for baptisms, sympathies, weddings, christenings, confirmation. There's just a lot of uses for this card. You can embellish it with butterflies, birds, little mini Bibles. The sky's the limit. Have fun in creating. Thank you.